I really like Tintex dye. It's really cheap and it's a great way to change up your wardrobe. You can get it at the grocery store, dollar store, online, get it anywhere. It dyes everything except for polyester. I've dyed a bunch of stuff, a bunch of different ways. I've done the stovetop method, I've done the machine washing method, and I've also done just like the sink method. And I'm happy with the results of all of them. I'm going to be dyeing 3 shirts, all different material, and we're going to see what happens. This one, which has like a transfer on it, so we'll see what happens to the transfer when we dye it black. This one, which is rayon and elastic, and this one, which is cotton and polyester. This is the one that I'm really not sure what's going to happen because it's a blend with the polyester. It doesn't claim to dye polyester. I actually prefer to do the machine washing method. It just makes a really nice uniform color, but because I don't have access to a washer machine, I'm just going to do the stovetop method. Probably is your hardest one to do on the stove. Then the second hardest being the sink, and the easiest being the washer machine. I want to make sure the shirts can float around freely in the pot. Then I add my dye, stir it around, and then add the shirts back in. Keep rinsing them out until the water runs clear, and then hang them up to dry. I'm pretty surprised how well the polyester shirt turned out. It looks completely uniform color, so I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to look kind of like splotchy. I think because I did 3 in the pot at once, that's the reason why this one's splotchy. I'm gonna dye it on its own now and see if that makes a difference. This one is a little bit splotchy too, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna probably re-dye it too. After re-dyeing these two, this one I'm not happy with. I'm not sure why it's still splotchy looking, but I am happy with the 100% cotton one. Thanks for watching my video. See you later!